Hey everyone, I've been obsessed with making this Korean chicken in my Instant Pot lately because it comes out so incredibly tender and packed with flavor. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. 6 chicken thighs or drumsticks, that's bone-in chicken. If you want to use boneless chicken, I'll give you some instructions for that in the notes. 1 cup of chopped onion, 1/4 cup of gochujang paste. This is a Korean condiment that is found at most grocery stores, but you'll definitely get it at the Asian market, or you can find it on Amazon, and I'll put a link to that in the notes. 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1/2 cup of low sodium chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of mirin, which is a sweet Japanese rice wine that it doesn't have a high alcohol content but adds a nice taste to this recipe. First, we're going to make the marinade in a blender. Blend the onion, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, sugar, pepper, and the gochujang paste. Gochujang is a bit spicy, and so if you want to reduce the quantity of the gochujang to make it milder, you can do that. Add the broth and blend the ingredients into a smooth marinade. It's best if you can marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours. If you can do it even longer, that's better, because then all the flavors will really penetrate the chicken. You could skip the marination and pressure cook the chicken right away, but just know that the flavor won't be as good. Transfer all the marinade and the chicken into the Instant Pot and try and scrape up the bowl and get as much of that marinade as you can. Close the Instant Pot and pressure cook for about 9 minutes if you're planning on grilling the chicken afterwards. If you're not planning on grilling the chicken, pressure cook for about 11 or 12 minutes. That'll get the chicken fall off the bone tender. Transfer the chicken to a bowl, and we're going to reduce the sauce because it's quite thin and we want to make it thicker. It'll take about 7 to 10 minutes in sauté mode. If you wanted to speed up the process, you could add some cornstarch mixed with some water to thicken the sauce, and that works fine too. You don't have to do that. You can use the sauce as is, but I like to have it a little bit thicker. You can serve this chicken as is with the sauce on rice, and it's really tasty. But another option is to grill it. Pressure cook the chicken for a little less time and then grill it at the end, and this is a great option for a barbecue, something different from your traditional barbecue sauce. More details on the blog paintthekitchenred.com.